got to change out. And then another thing is you can check. You can see the insulation is so bad that it started blowing through the actual vents. So they must have had some type of like, I don't know, rat. That probably was just,
that's
coming in the wintertime and, eat it up, chew it up. We got another vent right here. That's 2. One in the bathroom, 3, 4, 5. And then this is a bathroom. So yeah, we got 6 vents. Got 6 vents in the plenum. So yeah, 6 vents in the plenum that we gotta do. And they're also saying they want to put a platform outside because, as you can see, this home got flooded. So they want to put a platform outside. And they don't want to put it on the roof because now the city's asking for engineering plans, pretty much to see can the roof even support AC going on the roof. So now people don't want to deal with that whole process. So now they just say, hey, listen, we're just gonna make a platform. We're just gonna put it on the side, but pretty much you got to come out 3 feet from the soffit, the edge of the roof, and it got to be 11 feet from the wall to the gate. So it is 11 feet. We can make it 3 inches from the side of the soffit, pretty much edge of the roof. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna make a platform 8 feet off the ground. We're gonna give them a new condenser, new air handler. Matter of fact, come get this right here. We're gonna get them a new disconnect because they don't properly have one now. So yeah, we're gonna get them a new disconnect. Coming inside, we're gonna get a new disconnect, new air handler, new box, new plenum, clean up the copper line set. Of course, new disconnect. He just got it jerry rigged right now, so yeah, we definitely gotta do that. So new box.